Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Biasi. I've been asked to have a look at this Biasi. It's got intermittent ignition. So they're gonna hot water heating and we're gonna check it out, diagnose it and repair it, and I'll be sharing that with you in this film. So guys, I've been asked to have a look at this boiler. They're gonna heating a hot water, and what's happening is when they open the hot water and it makes a loud banging noise. So basically all the gas builds up in there and the ignition process, the sparks don't hit the gas. So I've opened it up, checking all the fan, everything's working fine. I was thinking about opening that up, but I realized what the problem is on this. The spark electrodes, right, they're not, they're missing. So there's a miss on them. I'm going to check where this, so most likely we're going to have to change the spark electrodes on these, and that will sort the issue out. Okay, go for it now. See, it works okay there, but sometimes the sparks are missing. So there's a sparking over here somewhere, the side on the side here, and it's not hitting the gas. So these spark electrodes might need changing. Okay, off again, bro. Try again. Yeah, it's working fine now. That's the issue on them. You see, बाहर नहीं लिख रही भी. Look at them, right? See the cup up. So I think this is the problem on it. Okay. Yeah. What an idiot, and it'd be nice to put the camera on, record. Them two screws, and then that one at the back. The burner then comes out exactly the same on that side. Those two screws. So comes out, and then they easily come out. The electrodes. जो मुख्तलिफ सी ये को एक मिनट में right. So this one, then this one goes should that goes all the way here. So we can just open them two screws. The problem is, the magnetic thing, that's lost, man. That might be a problem putting it back in. So I need that magnetic one. And then this one on that side.
It's going to be a trade show again, and you see, you'll see.
Good one.
Okay.
You trade chodi nahi tha.
No.
Gonna miss you, bro.
Temporary, mate. This is a temporary vibe.
You're going through the temporary vibes. Alright. So that's it. And then we're going to do is this one there. This one is here. So this one, what is that? This is the hard part here.
Got disconnect all three of them.
Yeah.
In fact, mark that one. Should have marked it 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3.
Oh, don't worry. They're separated here now. These black ones, ignition, and this flame sensing is separate. So there you go. So what we're doing is changing these two here. Here's my screwdriver. So what we're doing is this one. Put that here. And welcome to the fidgety world. And this one. I think I should use a smaller screwdriver. That one there. So we'll use these. Put that one on the side. Put that one on the side again. Just line it up. Is that right? Yeah, that's right. So yeah. So exactly the same philosophy. Go through here. Bring that one to the side. There you go. Fidgety, innit? This is going to be fidgety. It's going to be done. So this one, put that there for now. And let me give me a little screwdriver. This one's too big. I don't know where that is. There you go.
Want to hold it?
Yeah.
I got it.
Oh, 1 second. There you go. So that's lined up now. You screw inside both of them first. This is why I need magnetic one in it. One magnetic one's gone. So what we do is put this one first.
Rub the screwdriver against the metal because magnet.
You still won't do enough. Yeah, I wouldn't, it's not a magnet. Sugar.
Screw together, do they?
Yeah, that's your own problem with this one. There you go. There you go. There you go. You want to tighten it? Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Oh, here's the front on it, bro.
Crack.
There you go. See, can you see it?
Crack. Yeah.
So, that's done. Where's the other one here?
Yeah. Obviously the spark was going somewhere else, wasn't it?
Yep. This is it.
Really, you need only key nasi.
Yeah, pata कौन सी नो? इतने महंगे कौन पे? But एक करने में मज़े change बहुत हो मैंने. Yeah, you're right. One would have been enough, but Where we are, we are. Do you see the crack at the time? Does that need turning a bit?
Just set one.
Right, I need a wire cutter. 1 second, now give me a wire cutter. You recording as well?
Yeah.
With the bottle, pretending.
Undercover.
Take two, take one, two. And let's cut these ones off. And that there. Don't need you anymore. This is why I'm not a... See, people are professionals. You know the professionals, what they do, right? They get out, put the tools in back, exactly the same way, guys. But I am not. I don't like that, unfortunately. You probably noticed I love talking to myself.
So what? Sound of madness.
Sign of madness, yeah.
Who isn't in this world?
Yeah, true.
Right, that's done. Okay.
Is there clips got? No clips on it.
Don't worry, don't worry. We get to that in a bit. Clips are one's here. Where's the packet? The packet, where's the packet?
The floor. There she is.
Okay, you have the clips in there. Right. Now, let's get these out. Just pictures somewhere in there, but should be only, bro. One. I need that now. I think this one's more magnetic. And the other one is just there. So that just goes in. Just goes in. Clips in. So the brown one was following down this brown one's ignition and sensing probe. And the other two just to make sure that one's down. And that one's on one. Right. And let's test it out first. Sure you.
Yeah.
Go for it.
Yeah.
Yep, that's it. Off and on again. Like 10 seconds. Alright, go for it. That's it. Yeah. This was a good one for Italian.
Camera shy.
Oh man, okay. This one has to go. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine.
Now you got the task of putting the 100 screws in.
Yeah, no man, this is where I need them. So then we'll ratchet on it. This is ratchet on it is. I was well pleased when I bought this though. Oh yeah man, this is it. Didn't get a lot of
Alright. This is दूसरा the Biasi.
Kira,
Electro.
take a sauce.
This is इसकी.
हाँ, वो देखो. मैं फिल्म में की बात हूँ. ते गल्ला ही पासा. लेकिन सारी उर्दू डिस्काउंट पंजाबी थोड़ी मिपली सारी कितनी सारी. Another jammy repair done in it.
Don't say that. I doubt it was jammy, but anyway.
Another jammy. Okay, where's the combustion on it? And this one in it, because we took this wide off. I'm going to put this one in first, yeah? So it goes that way and goes back there. Hopefully that is the theory. It might work. I'm sure they could have made this a bit even easier for everyone.
Let's be easy for you.
Oh, see this here? So if you just that side's in, to make sure it's in, you have to just check. If I put these screws in, 2 screws in, so this side's in. We don't tighten them here. That's it. Yeah, that's it. See? Oh, yeah, I'm ugly now. And that's basically it. That's all, folks. That's it. And that's it. That's the final one. Where's the heating, love? How do you switch the heating on? From here.
This one.
Yeah. Got room start.
Is it banger?
That was quiet.
Sounds better, isn't it?
And you put this back too.
So basically, when we took those electrodes off, one had a crack in it.
Oh, did it?
That's why he's losing that,
The gas.
you know, the spark.
Spark
It was,
levels, yeah.
yeah, yeah.
Gotcha. Thank you very much. Stop recording.
If I do a signature, you'll see it. Mr. Jenga's not sure on that department. Is that right, Jenga?
Yeah, man. I love it. I love making food of myself.
Good job you told them that.
Yeah.
See? Okay. Suit it. Take me there. No, not that one. So this was the issue. Delayed ignition because of this electrode is broken on it. Okay. So now it's not putting. Now it's working fine. The ignition is alright on here as well. That's all we can find now. Sorry man, it's nothing major. Sorted, yeah? So Birmingham boiler fix. I ain't gonna, I still gotta work on that. Let's try it again. So Birmingham boiler fix. Right. Do you wanna give me a review?